If you want to quickly mute incoming calls on a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, what you can do is, for example, you can press the volume down button. With this button, you can easily mute the ringtone and disable vibration during the incoming call. So let me just try to quickly demonstrate. I'm gonna call myself now. And I'm not sure if you will be able to hear the ringtone, but right now it is indeed playing and there is a vibration. And if I press volume down, all of this is now deactivated and I can answer or decline call very easily. Besides that, there is also a gesture that allows you to flip the phone face down, which we should be able to find in settings. If you go to advanced features over here, then go to motions and gestures. Then over here we have mute incoming calls and alarms. So we can cover the screen with our hand or turn the phone face down in order to mute the incoming call. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.